Hi, I'm Amanda, and I'm going to share with you how I am making money in this current crypto crash and how you can do that too. So make sure you stick around to the end, and I'll share not only how I'm doing this, but also how I learned it and what strategies I'm using specifically so that you can do this too. All right, so first of all, who am I? I am Amanda Vandergulik, and I help people just like yourself learn how to create passive income from your passions. And if your passion is crypto, then today you're going to be really happy. I'm going to be sharing a strategy that I've learned from Dan Hollings, who is the founder of The Plan, the crypto plan. And I am so grateful to Dan Hollings for teaching this to me, and I'm going to just show you just the basics of how this works, and then how you can learn how to figure out exactly how to use it and what steps to take and what specific numbers to use and so on. But let me show you right here on the screen. You can see this is my Bitcoin, or sorry, not my Bitcoin, my BitGaps app, and it shows all of the crypto that we're doing right now. All right, and so you can see over here, I've got a couple of different coin pairs in BitGap. I'm stumbling over my words today, but don't worry about that. And this one down here, this was actually a different kind of bot. If you're not familiar with bots, I do have other videos on my channel that will explain them to you, and you can check them out up here. But I had this bot up here, and I'll just show you what it looks like. And this is the bot that we first started in, my wife and I. And in this red area here is where we were actually earning money, whether the market was going up or down, which is the beautiful thing about using a bot grid to earn money in crypto. It doesn't matter whether the market is going up or down. But it went down below our grid, and instead of moving our grid down, we decided to try a different strategy that Dan Hollings taught us. And I'm honestly blown away. It's working so much faster than the original, and the original is already really, really good. So we decided to actually keep our bot in here, and we're just going to wait until the trend comes back up again. We're not going to be one of those people who are panicking and worrying and, oh my God, I just lost all my money in crypto, because no, I still have my crypto. It's just worth less at the moment, and it will fluctuate and go back up again as the market goes up. But let me show you what we're doing now in the meantime. So that was for this bot down here, which happened to be Ape and USDT. Now, I know that you see these coin pairs here, and you might be thinking, oh, I got to use the coin pairs that Amanda's using. Please do your own diligence, because when I started these, they were good. Now, they're still good, but when you start your coin pairs, you need to make sure that you're starting them based on how they've been doing. So just because I'm doing these coin pairs right now does not mean that I would be doing these coin pairs today. I might be, but I'd have to do my due diligence and do my research. And that's the kind of thing that Dan taught us in his course, The Plan, which I absolutely love and highly recommend. I'll put a link down below so that you can go check it out. It's a free training, and you can learn all about it. I'm not sure if it's open at the moment, but if it's not, just put yourself up for the early bird list so that as soon as the free training is open, you'll get notification, and then you can start earning money in crypto as well, regardless of whether there's a crypto crash, a crypto winter, crypto summer. It doesn't matter. You can earn money when the market is going down and when the market is going up. All right, so this is really exciting. Are you ready? This is what Dan calls the bottom feeder bot strategy. And here is one of them. So we decided to do the same ape here. So you can see if I scroll up, it's the same diagram here. You can't quite see all of it. Let me just squish this down so you can see the whole grid here. So I did the same thing here that you saw on my other grid, but instead of making the money up here, which is where our original bot is set at, we're actually now making money off the bottom while everybody else is panicking that crypto is going down and it's going to be completely wiped out, and all these crazy scarcity mindset, fears and the news and all these things. We're actually earning money on the bottom when there's literally hardly any movement at all. Let me just zoom this out for you so you can see. There's hardly any movement at all here. It's the tiniest little bit, but every single one of these red and green dots is money earned. And that is just so crazy to know that even when it's like this sideways wiggle of just the slightest little bit of up and downs, we're earning money. And look at it. I only set this one up 8 days ago. It's already and started with 1,500 over here, and it's already at 111 back return. There's no bank in the world that would ever give you a return like that. Look at this, it's 0.9% return in just 8 days. Think about that. That's like, if you figure that out, there's what, So 30-ish days in a month, and so let's say maybe 3 times this and a little bit more, be 3% return in a month. Well, you times that by 12 months and you're looking at like 36% return in a year. Like no bank is ever going to give you that. It's incredible. And some of these, this one here, God's, have a look at this one. It's already at 1% in 8 days. It's just incredible. And you can see here, so the market was way up here, so far up that you can't even see it all there, way up there, and it really dropped right down, and we're earning way down here, which is just incredible. And I owe all of this to Dan Hollings, who I learned this strategy from. There are specific steps, specific spacings. It takes a little bit of time to learn the strategies, but once you have them, it's so easy to do. And I can't recommend it more highly. My link below is amandavandergulik.com/the plan, and you can sign up for the free training so that Dan can show you exactly how this works, and then you can be doing this for yourself as well. I'm not sure if it's open at the moment, but sign up, because as soon as he opens it a couple of times a year, then you'll get access and you can get right in and start earning, and you can earn money on this crypto crash. You can earn money during a crypto winter or a crypto summer, earning money in the crypto market, whether it's going up or down, which is just mind-blowing. And I am so grateful I figured this out, and I can't wait for you to enjoy it as well. So if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please do give me a like, let me know. And if you have any specific questions about the crypto market, about bot trading or anything like that, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to make another video for you to answer those. All right, here's to a beautiful crypto Christmas, no, crypto winter. Bye.